My people, we got another one. Did something different, y'all. So I went to Chipotle, right? I just got the rice. I got some tomatoes, some lettuce, and corn, right, on the side. Only $1.99, peep gang. I got some queso cheese from Chipotle, $2.65. For me, I threw some jalapenos on from the crib. I got my own wraps. I ended up making some steak. Threw some little sauces on there, man. You know I got them ruffles, man. Feel me? But yeah, let's get straight to it. Made my own little wraps. Loaded too, yo. I ain't gonna beat y'all. Fire, y'all. I was gonna do the shrimp with it too. Shrimp steak wraps. Ooh, wee! You know it's gonna be a banger. Hey, I'm not really a big fan of that queso cheese, but we're gonna try it out. Feel me? Man, that queso cheese don't be hitting for real. Nah. It don't be hitting for me, yo. I don't know how y'all be eating it, but hey, these burritos going crazy, I ain't gonna lie. Game changer, y'all. You get all the sides, you get your rice, make your own meat at the crib. Don't miss. But yeah, man. These bets on FanDuel looking good tonight, y'all. We green tonight, y'all. Ain't gonna lie, I'm glad I got these ruffles, though. Shout out to Ruffles. Should make it way better. Jalapenos. But yeah, man, tapping in with y'all, man. Have a good day. Get you some money. Let's get it. Ooh, wait.